The electric slide, a groovy English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and rhythmic English phrase, electric slide. This phrase is not just a collection of words, but it's a part of American culture. Let's explore what it means and where it comes from. The phrase, electric slide, actually refers to a famous line dance. It was created in 1976 by Rick Silver, and the dance became widely popular in the 1980s. When people mention the electric slide, they are usually referring to this specific dance. The name itself doesn't have a direct meaning related to electricity or sliding in the literal sense. Instead, it's a catchy title for a dance that's fun, easy to learn, and often performed at parties and weddings. The electric slide is more than just a dance, it's a part of American pop culture. It's often played at social gatherings, and almost everyone gets up to dance. Knowing this dance, or at least recognizing the name, can be a fun fact for English learners and can also help you understand references in movies, songs, and conversations. If you're curious about how to do the electric slide, here's a brief overview. 1. 4 small steps to the right. 2. 4 small steps to the left. 3. Step backward, then forward, and finally, a step to turn 90 degrees. The dance repeats these steps in a sequence, and everyone dances in a line, hence the term, line dance. While electric slide is primarily a dance, the phrase can sometimes be used metaphorically in English. For example, someone might say they're doing the electric slide to mean they're navigating a tricky social situation with ease, much like the smooth steps of the dance. We hope you enjoyed learning about the electric slide. It's a great example of how language and culture intersect in fun and unexpected ways. Keep practicing your English, and maybe even try out a few dance steps. See you in the next video.